I'm Jeremiah Fox. I'm a carpenter and handyman out here in New York City. How to apply varnish. Once you have a woodworking project towards the completion phase, you want to protect it from the environment. To do that, you want to put a coat of something between it and the world that's going to be all around it. You can use varnish, and there's several types of varnish. We are using a water-based polyurethane. There's also oil-based varnishes, which dry a little bit faster, have some positives to them, but also tend to smell a lot longer of the varnish scent, so that if you're doing a project in the house, you're going to be smelling that project for weeks and weeks and weeks, whereas polyurethane goes a little bit faster. Cleanup is also easier with the water-based because you can do it in your own sink, whereas oil-based you need to use mineral spirits or a paint thinner. Now, once you have your project prepared to that stage, you want to make sure that it's nice and clean and smooth. So if you need to, come in with a piece of sandpaper. So you want to sand out any imperfections that are left, any little marks. Because once you varnish it, you can't really do over. Then once you get it to a nice smooth surface that you like, take a good paintbrush and your varnish, or urethane, or acrylic, or whatever you're using. Now you don't want to dump a ton of this stuff all on at once because it will set. So what I like to do is get a little bit in there, dab it on, and then stroke. Now you want to work with the grain with this. That helps make sure it gets into all the pores. And you want to fight against bubbles as much as you can. But as long as you work it in there, nice long strokes towards the end. You can start with short choppy stuff, but then you want to come back and give it nice smooth strokes. And that way you won't have as many little choppy lines. Now most varnish will smooth itself out, and there are additives you can dump into them to help with that. So that'll take even the fine lines that we have here from the brush, and they will vanish once it sets up and dries. And then your project is protected.